subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press on the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we will be talking about a hair serum, how to apply it, the cons and pros, and finally giving our final take on the product. So if you want to find out more about the product and what it is going to be about, please keep on watching. But before, don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button if you like these types of videos. So first off, before getting into the review, I'm going to answer some basic questions which I think you guys must have in your mind. So what is this product about? This product is a hair essential fluid. It prevents the hair damage. Question number 2, what is the price? So the hair serum is packaged in a transparent plastic bottle. It is available in multiple sizes, I think from 20 ml to 50 ml and 100 ml, and the price range is between 60 rupees to 250 rupees only. Now where you can buy it, this product is easily available at most of cosmetics, departmental stores, supermarkets, and even at most of the medical shops. Apart from this, one can also order it from leading online stores. You will see in a couple clips later where we went on the website because I clearly lost the box. So we went on the website to see what it is all about, and there was a button over there, an icon over there where it says buy now, and yes, we are going to see it in a bit. So how does this Livon serum work? So the new lightweight formula of this hair serum is enriched with vitamin E. Its formula is quick to start its action. It instantly transforms frizzy and tangled hair to look silky and shiny and protects it from the breakage. So what are its basic uses? It has many benefits of hair, and I think it does wonderful hair damage protection. So as you can see on the video, I have curly hair, and when you have curly hair, it does tangle up, and when you brush your hair, it does hurt a little bit. So whatever I do is that I just dab my hair a little bit and then take the product, 2 to 3 drops only, and apply it, massage it first with the palm of my hands, and then I apply it on my hair, trying to do some techniques as you can see on the video. And then with the rest of the serum on my hair, I just get rid of the baby hair that I have. So yeah, this is the way that I feel you should apply it, and it works beautifully. In 5 minutes you have actually a hair which is ready to go like this anywhere. You can go like this anywhere. It makes your hair smooth and silky and shiny. This is not a sponsored video, I repeat it, I will repeat it 1,000 times, but still I feel that this product is a great boon for women with curly hair or dry hair. Now as you can see on the earlier clip where I showed you guys on the website, I've already explained basically how you need to apply it. Please go through the website and check it out. You simply need to have damp hair while applying it, and in case you have extremely dry hair or split ends, you can eventually take a little bit of the product and apply it at the end of your hair only. So basically this is what it is about. I've been using it for 1 month only, and I feel that there's a great change into my hair. Now to answer some of your questions, no, the product does not make my hair feel greasy, or no, it is not as heavy as coconut oil. And regarding how many times you need to apply it, well, I think 2 to 3 times a week should do it for you. If you have extremely frizzy hair though, maybe every 2 days is a must for you guys. So overall, I would say that this product is a hit if you have curly and dry hair. I did try it on my friend who has straight hair, and it made no such effort except making her hair looks a little bit shinier. Other than that, it did not help with anything because she wasn't suffering from any such issues. So this is a great product for women with curly hair. So up next is the final review of the product. What are the other benefits of the product that I noticed, and of course, do I recommend it? Of course I do recommend it, but why do I recommend it? Overall, I think it is a great product. It is not that expensive and it does what it claims to do. So for me it is a yes. So finally, what are the uses of this Livon hair serum? Number one, it does wonderful hair damage protection. It controls frizz of the hair. It eases out the tangles developed in the hair. It reduces the hair breakage. It protects the hair from external factors like pollution, dust, sunlight, etc. It makes your hair silky. It gives a bouncy effect to the hair. It increases the volume of the hair. Livon serum gives a super smooth, ultra glossy salon finish. It makes hair shiny. It is enriched with vitamin E, which nourishes hair, and it has a soothing mild fragrance inspired by fan fragrances. So, is there any side effect with this product? There are no reports of any confirmed side effect arising out of the usage of this hair serum. One must carefully go through the list of ingredients mentioned on the bottle to ensure that that person is not allergic to any of them. And of course, you need to carefully follow the direction to use this serum to avoid any undesired results. So this is it. This was the review of the Livon hair serum. I actually love this product. I would not say it enough of time. I love this product, and I feel that you people out there should use this product. Now another question, is it unisex? Can men and women both use it? No, it is only for women. I'm sorry, it's not me who made the product. And can we use it on kids? Yes, you can. It has nowhere written that you cannot, and there has not been any report as such as to proving that this is harmful for kids. So yeah, do use it, but only for topical use only. Do not eat, swallow, or I don't know what other stuff you can do with it. Don't do that. Apply it only on your hair, and that way it should be damp hair. So yeah, this is all that we got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. Do you use Livon? Are you going to use it? What is your take on the product? And yeah, comment down below what you want to see next as well. So, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified every time our video comes up. And yeah, that's all we got for you guys today. Till next, take care.